everybody, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how many sales it takes to hit $1 million in your business. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I put out new videos every single week. Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, founder of GetClients.com and author of Digital Millionaire Secrets. And today, let's talk about how many sales it takes to hit $1 million, specifically if you sell online courses, coaching, masterminds, events, software, or any type of digital product like I mentioned in my book. So, here is the thing. Everybody wants $1 million business, right? Everybody wants $1 million business. But the problem here is a lot of people that want $1 million businesses take way too long to get there because they don't know how to do simple math. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take my trusty calculator right here and we are going to do some math. So let's just say for a moment that you want to hit $1 million. So let's write up $1 million. Now, if you pay attention to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I hit $1 million in a day. That may seem crazy or like I'm lying or I'm fudging the numbers, but no, we really did $1 million in sales in one day, and I'll show you how we did that towards the end of this video. But here's the deal. Let's say you want to sell a digital product like an online course, like a coaching offer, what have you. You want to hit $1 million and you're charging $200 for your offer. I see like a lot of online fitness coaches and stuff. They'll do a meal plan or something for $200 or a coaching offer or what have you. So if you take $1 million and you divide that by 200, that means that you have to make 5,000 sales to get to 1 million. That means you have to get 5,000 people, 5,000 to say, yes, here's my credit card. Yes, I will trust you. Yes, I will buy from you to hit 1 million. But let's now say instead that you charge 1,000. Let's say you value your time more and instead you want to charge 1,000. And by the way, guys, there's not really a big difference here because I see a lot of coaches and a lot of people selling online courses undercharging. They only charge $200 when they could charge 1,000 simply because they don't know how to charge 1,000. They don't know how to charge more. They don't know how to create an offer that is worth more. But they have the skills to do so, they just don't know how to do it. You only need 1,000 people to say yes. So now you have 1,000. So you can see by simply charging more, your path to $1 million is way shorter. 1,000 people to say yes instead of 5,000. But what did you change between? The price and your skill set. If you are skilled enough to sell something for $200 and you obtain just a bit more skill, a bit more knowledge, you can charge 1,000. Now it's down to that. But let's just say for a moment that you invest in yourself and you learn how to not only create a product but sell a product, service, software, what have you, make an offer that is 5,000. Well, now, if you take 1 million and you divide that by 5,000, well, now you only need, and this is the crazy thing about math, you only need 200 people to say yes. 200 people to say yes, and you now have $1 million business, okay? And likewise, if you charge, say, 10,000, now you need 100 people. 100 people to say yes. So 10,000 times 100 is 1 million. 1 million. So let me give you an example of how we made $1 million in a day. I did a 2-day virtual event. I did a 2-day virtual event to people that already bought some of my programs, and I offered my mastermind. Now, my mastermind is my highest level of access. You get to actually come out to my office, hang out with me. I help you with your business. There's weekly deep dives and all this crazy stuff. Very, very high level of access to me. So So we charge, and we've upped it to $55,000 since then because we sold out, but we charged, I made the offer for $30,000. Now, I sold 34 spots, 34 people to say yes, and that is $1,020,000. Now, that got me to $1 million with just 34 people saying yes. So, what you must realize is that the fastest way to get to $1 million is to create a premium offer. The more premium of an offer you create, the faster you get to $1 million. If you create a $200 online course or coaching program or whatever, it's going to take 5,000 people to say yes. If you create a $1,000 online course or coaching program or software or whatever, it's going to take 1,000 people. If you create something that's 5,000, it takes 200, 10,000, 100, 30,000, 34. So as you can see, the higher you go in price, the easier it is to get to $1 million. What changes? What changes is your knowledge, skill, and ability to create a premium offer and sell it. That's all. That's the only thing. I wish I realized this years ago, because the people that bought this, I did this video on Instagram where I said, hey, I had the whole room up in this virtual room, and I said, hey guys, all at once, do you guys think this was bar none, 100% worth double what you paid? And everybody went, woo, yes, yes, yes. And that's because I know how to create a premium offer that gets premium results for people where they're willing to pay for it. And keep in mind, we've sold $5,000 and $10,000 offers that made people so much money that they were able to easily afford our $30,000 offer. And that's a whole nother thing which I can talk about. But the bottom line is here is if you can learn to create and sell a premium offer, the more premium you go, the faster you get to $1 million. So if you are interested in learning how to create premium offers, especially premium digital products, you want to pick up a copy of my book, Digital Millionaire Secrets. I will leave a link in the description. You can get this book for free. You just pay shipping and handling. Also, I have some other resources for you. For instance, if you've already read this book and you understand it, you may want to jump on a call with my office where we can go over your business and we can see what the fastest way to get you to $1 million is and help you create that premium offer, help you come up with that premium offer so you can sell it for a premium price, teach you how to sell it, teach you how to market it, and get you to the coveted $1 million as soon as humanly possible. But you'll want to make sure that you read this book before you get on that call. So I'll leave a link for both below. If you haven't read my book, make sure you read the book before you jump on a call with my team. But get this book. It's an amazing book. It's a 2-hour read. It's super easy to read, super short, and it'll get you what you need. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. Talk to you soon.